Use this meditation to put anyone you desire under your love spell. This meditation is crafted to align your subconscious mind with the reality where your special person is completely in unconditional love with you. Dive deep into this transformative experience and watch your desires manifest love effortlessly. Now let's begin. They are head over heels in love with me. They are obsessed with me. They are in love with me. They like me so much. They are ready to choose to date me over any other person. They only see me. They only want me. They only love me. They are ready to start a long-term relationship with me. They are so serious about me. They are so seriously, madly in love with me. They text me first always. They always reply genuinely. They love seeing my text notifications. They try their best to always be around me. They want me in their life as life partners. They want to marry me. They confess their love for me. They make the first move always. They respect me. They admire me. They want to talk to me 24/7. They think of me before they go to sleep. I love that they are addicted to me in all the best ways. I love that they always fight for my love and attention. I love that they give their all to make me feel special and loved. I love that they can't stop thinking about me 24/7. I love that they are constantly craving my love and attention. I love that they always make me feel like I'm the most important person in the world to them. I love that they are addicted to the way I make them feel. I love that they can't help but worship me. I love that they make me feel like I am the only person that matters to them. I love that they can't get enough of me. I love that they are head over heels in love with me and make it so obvious. I love that they always go out of their way to make me feel adored. I love that they can't resist my charm, energy, and presence. I love that they want nothing more than to make me happy. I love that they prioritize me over everything else. I love that they are obsessed with me in all the best ways. I love that they just can't stop thinking about me in the best ways possible. I love that they are basically under my spell. I love that everything they do makes me feel amazing and is always in my best interest. I love that they always shower me with gifts, attention, quality time, acts of service, and complete undivided affection. I love that they think, call, text, and contact me in the exact amount that I need and desire. I love that they never felt this kind of higher love in any other romantic connection. I love that they only have eyes for me now, in the past, and forever. I love that our connection deepens with every nanosecond, creating a bond that is unbreakable and deeply fulfilling. I love that we can talk openly, support each other's growth, and navigate our differences with ease. I love that we share a bright future, cheering each other on while being mature and super cute at the same time. I love that everyone supports us in all the ways they can. I love that they go out of their way to make me feel special and loved. I am their favorite. I always feel loved by them in all the best ways. I feel deserving of love and royal treatment. I am the center of receiving their attention and love. I feel their divine love all over me all of the time. They make me feel protected, safe, and at ease. They give me divine love, respect, and appreciation. I feel how I'm always favored by them every single nanosecond, now and forever. I feel their love energy all over me, all of the time, making me feel amazing. They are so possessive over me. They are so overprotective of me. They are so clingy with me. They are always checking up on me. They get upset when I am out of reach. They get upset when I am unavailable. They want to have me all to themselves. They always want to be around me. They always go to the places where I am. They get upset when I am unable to hang out with them. They always find where I am. They always keep hugging me. They are annoyed when I am absent. They are always checking my social media. They are always checking their phone for my text messages. They only love me. They are overly sweet with me. They are so obsessed with me. They always make excuses to come and see me. They always make excuses to spend more time with me. They follow me around like a puppy. They do everything I say. They always want to please me. They want to impress me so bad. They love me unconditionally. They are hopelessly devoted to me. It is already done. Type "they are hopelessly devoted to me" to affirm. And if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.